Continue with this course. Now we want to create the steel columns and the steel beams. For this case, you already modeling the steel columns, and for the steel beams, it's almost the same for the concrete. You need to go to the steel and beam, and then you need to choose this particular profile. For example, I want to choose the 60 plus multiply 40, and it's the same. You need to click first and the second, and you need to repeat all this particular modeling with all these particular steel framing. It's really easy. And that another thing that I want to create is a new particular view for create the slab for the third floor. You need to go to the slab, and this is you need to click first in the edge of these steel beams. And when you already finish all the polygon, now you can have the slab for the next floor. And now you can see you can change the materials, and you can change the cast unique number and the cast unique if you want to in precast or in cast in place. And for this thing, I want to put the position at the dip because I don't want to overlapping with the steel framing. Uh, m- that's that's all. I almost finished this course. We only need to finish with the steel connection.